I don't think we have a melee team. I don't think CSL has melee anyway anymore. It just kind of feels bad.
Melee's sick.
What?
Melee's sick.
Yeah, melee's sick, but like CSL doesn't have it anymore. Seven, are you even in CSL?
No,
Do you even like know about CSL?
I know of it.
Okay. Because I know they had melee last year, but I don't know if they have melee this year.
What?
All of top 8 is going to be best of 5, so we're going to be
I
here
gotta
till
work the stream eating
9.
fries.
What?
There's too many chairs here.
What are you even doing? Are you pulling up a picture again? Are you going to like type?
Fucking type in the names.
Surge OP and
At the bottom.
learning. Why is it so bright? Like
Learning?
Learning looks like he's sent straight from the heavens or something.
Is that how you spell it? Is it? Nope.
Love you, Seven. Thank you, Dud. I love you too. In a
That looks like the word learning.
friendly way.
In a homosexual way. Is that how you spell it?
Yeah, Dud.
Yeah,
Dud.
it's
Dud.
just learning.
Dud's been labbing out Wario. I've been also teaching him. Next time he's gonna be like sandbagging, and in the finals he's gonna like wreck
Dude,
Tanner.
sick.
He's gonna wreck
Get top
Tanner.
8.
He's gonna get top 8, run over Tanner, and then we'll be like, okay, your job's done. You can go back to normal now. Like thanks, and I'll give him back the controller.
Alright, switch to the double shot.
Not the double shot.
It was triple shot, but
You don't want the commentators on?
you want me to find commentators or are you guys good?
We are commentators. We're pro ultimate player.
The two best.
Am I class?
Dude, I'm so glad number 1 and 2 in Missouri came here just to commentate.
Am I allowed to even like call myself ranked if I like? I've won like okay, I made it far in extra life.
Singles in game.
I made a decent run in extra life, but like here, like literally like last week I bombed down immediately. Went to bed and
What is going
What's
on?
going on? Oh wait, I gotta play.
I play music.
Surge, what did you do?
Maybe I should stop playing mobile games. We have controller issues.
Surge, I can't believe you broke his controller. That's bad sportsmanship.
What are you doing with that hammer?
Yeah,
No,
what are
wait,
you-
don't.
What are you doing with that hammer, Surge? No.
I have a friend that does.
Alright, we're back in.
Oh, we're actually playing. Okay. The Surge and Learning.
Learning plays Fox. Crazy. Fox is sick.
Surge plays top tiers.
Yep.
Fox is pretty good though. You could say Fox is a. You could argue. it.
Maybe.
I'd say Fox is a high tier.
I mean, I thought the
wouldn't necessarily say he's a top tier.
I thought the general understanding of Ultimate was basically you can play everyone except Corn, and even then someone played Corn at Glitch 8. It was pretty accurate.
I think you said almost true.
Almost true. They're like another like really terrible character.
I think Puff's pretty bad.
For Hungrybox plays it can't be that bad.
Right. I don't know. Who's another bad character? Little Mac.
K rule.
K-Roll.
I mean, Little Mac's a given. Death
Little
tax.
Mac.
Death taxes Little Mac having no recovery. Game 1, everyone's still warming up after the 30-minute break. I think both of them play against. No, I think it was Learning played against Yiz last time. Yeah.
Yes.
And then Surge made like a Surge got third and he won like a massive 3-0 losers run. Really got stopped by Foxy Grandpa.
Foxy Grandpa is insane.
Yeah, I mean Foxy came in from losers against Yez and Grands and literally took him to 10 games.
I remember back when Foxy Grandpa's tag was still drippy.
It looks like Surge is taking the lead right now. A lot of shielding.
Yeah.
A lot of grabs. A lot of lasers. A lot of projectiles. A lot of shielding. Arsene come out. Time to panic.
panic mode engaged.
No, actually, they nerfed. That's right, they nerfed Arsene's. No,
Yeah, they nerfed Arsene, but Surge is good enough to where I don't think it really matters that much.
I think it's mostly just the more you hit while Arsene's out, the quicker it goes out now.
Yeah. They also nerfed downward guns, but they're just making it work still.
Yeah. Like, obviously. I don't think it's like enough to break the character. It's just been interesting to point out since the last tournament.
Yeah.
Byleth patches out, and already we have a Byleth from top 8. It's bad.
Oh damn, Learning's in the lead. What happened?
Surge got up smashed on the top one.
Understandable.
He just died there.
Can Surge make the comeback?
Surge needs to start spamming counters. Best move.
Yeah, it's
And Joker's is pretty good because he's the whole hit.
Ooh,
That can also happen.
That was kind of sick.
Arsene's about to pop out though. Arsene's about to peace out. 99. I'm not sure Surge has enough time.
Learning just needs like a good up smash.
Yeah. I don't think Surge has enough health to get back to Arsene. Yeah. I suppose you
I think
can
Surge might be able to survive one like uncharged up smash. Better than that.
boards.
Ooh, let's
Entirely
go,
possible.
Surge.
He just wins without Arsene.
No time
Who needs Arsene? You have forward smash.
Yep.
Nice job.
Game 1 going to Surge. Now counter picks come in. No one's even gonna look at Garrett Mock. Feels bad. Look, it has good music, alright? Come on.
We're gonna be a character switch. Probably not.
Probably not. We're gonna see a skin switch.
That's the real
Actually,
good.
I want to come with that.
Yeah, it sure is more comfortable. You'd think this one is because it has armrest, but it leans back too easily.
Actually, kind of. Wanna swap chairs? Sure. Although the padding's not as good, but I actually prefer leaning back, so. This
I usually do too, but
optimal movement by the caster's best.
hell yeah.
Oh, you just want to swap it?
Oh yeah, my bad.
Game 2. Pretty even still, but our
Yeah.
son's about to come out.
Once our son's a whole nother ball game.
Projectile time. Until our son comes out, and then it's chase down time.
Yeah.
Or Fox can just play lasers anyway.
And Learning is in the lead by percent. It's around even now. That probably would have killed.
Yeah, it's weird because when melee, when you see your Spacey's main, it's like Fox and Falco.
Yeah.
I know like Lemmy plays both Fox and Wolf instead. I guess he could play Falco, but I haven't seen it.
Dude, Falco's sick in this. He's really combo oriented.
Yeah.
And like
So I guess you could call him a melee character.
nah, if he was a melee character he'd actually be good.
You think Joker would be top tier in melee?
I don't know. Maybe. I don't know, because there's a lot. I don't even know how
I
it
just
would work
kind
in
of have to
melee.
assume that I might not have Arsene. I'm not sure they had technology back then for Arsene.
Yeah.
Although like a low poly Arsene's kind of funny to imagine.
I feel like he'd be like mid tier melee. Maybe like low high tier.
Yeah. Like a Sheik.
Yeah, pretty much.
It's just Sheik with extra steps. Extra moves.
Alright.
In an actual down B.
Yeah. They're just in the lead by one stock. Better than that.
It's
It's
the
close.
Arsene out, so he's more willing to trade now.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, whose playlist
Good
is
up.
this?
This is Seven's Project M soundtrack playlist.
Soundtrack.
Nice
Yeah,
counter.
Kind of unfortunate for Fox. You kind of just stand there and it has a hitbox. Arsene's like, sup, dude?
Yeah.
Sup, nerd? What you gonna do?
Joker's counter is even better for that because it sends them like
Yeah.
directly to the right. Yeah, directly outwards.
Yeah, but I mean, it's only with Arsene though. You don't need to do that. I mean, you'll get like.
Yeah, without
you
Arsene,
follow-
it's not even like a counter. It's just
Yeah.
Rebel's Guard.
It's
fills
Rebel's
up
Guard,
the
but,
meter.
like, even then, like, that still gets to Arsene really fast.
Yeah, it's still good, but it's not like
It
a
wouldn't
counter.
kill, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, you're still like out there, and you just spike him. I wanted to go for the same thing again, but we forgot that he has to go off stage first. Well, we might see a switch now that he's like, wait a minute. 'Cause
Oh
actually,
yeah,
no-
this is best of 5. I forgot.
yeah, it's best of 5. But like, because Wolf, I don't think has that up B issue.
It's weird. Finishing it up with an up smash.
Unfortunate wake up. I'll make sure you look safe. But we might see a Wolf switch. I'm not sure though. I'm not a top 8 player.
We're both top 1 players because we're so good.
Kirby.
Yeah, just go Isabel.
Just play Kirby. Or Isabel, yeah. I remember when Tanner, Kyrie used to play like Isabel against me, and it's like, come on. Yeah, and there's the Wolf swap. He's like, huh, maybe I shouldn't give him a free counter.
Alright, we got the wolf coming out from
Like
learning.
the ooh wolf, ooh wolf,
Alright.
Well, I'll say it because clearly I can't.
Hey,
Hey 7, I called the wolf swap. I saw the counter. I'm like, yeah, he's probably gonna swap the wolf next game.
Dude. Nice.
Back me up, chat.
Let's go, Carson. They're cheering for Carson. Fans in the chat.
Which one's Carson?
Surge.
The one winning.
Oh, yeah, Surge is 6. Go Carson.
I mean, both Foxy and
No.
I can make like the team joke. Oh, there we go. Really stop. Surge has to relearn the matchup. And while learning, it's like, yeah, I play against Joker every like 5 matches.
Yeah.
Your top tier does not help you.
Wolf was also top tier.
Yeah.
Wolf's busted.
Wolf's a sword character. Remember when like Leffen came out with like the first like ultimate tier list?
Yeah, hey,
And he was like, I don't know.
he has so many bad takes.
Yeah, I know, it was like so funny because he was doing like the tier list. Like, okay, I saved the swordies for last. He goes over to Wolf. Yeah, Wolf's a sword character. I was like, yeah, that's funny.
D11 has so many bad takes.
Negative or on stream now?
Alright.
Get
Negative.
hype for dry on stream.
Get hype for Dry, the
Dirty,
Wario player.
dirty, not dry, dirty. Actually, no, no. Die or dry?
Dry. It's D-R-I-E.
Is the I silent or the E silent?
Yeah.
We're having this at Carrington Hall. I forget the
Where are
name.
we holding this? Yeah, we're holding it at MSU.
MSU Carrington Hall. It's like the big lecture hall.
It's the big building.
It's the big building, but it's also the big lecture hall.
It's like it's by the stadium.
Yeah, it's by the stadium.
It's like in the center of the
It's like
whole
next to the
place.
PSU. It's in between the PSU and the stadium. Yeah, learning off to a quick restock lead. Looks like Surge is.
Yeah, Surge is.
Surge might just like let this go. No, we're by the football stadium. If you know where the Plaster Student Union is, it's pretty much like outside the bottom floor entrance, if that makes sense. Go for the spike. Go for it.
And we're gonna see a 3-star.
And Arsene's gone, but Wolf is at a high percent.
Yeah, but so is
And
Eoker.
there goes most of the Arsene bar. And oh,
Alright.
Violet
This is intense.
Violet would have broken the shield.
Violet is low tier.
Yeah, this is on the MSU campus. It's by the football stadium in Carrington.
Ooh, alright, no 3-star. Let's go Surge.
No 3-stop.
And Surge make the comeback. Are we gonna see a reverse 3-star?
I mean, the last time I said that Surge has too high percent to get back Arsene, he kind of just won the game without Arsene, so. Yeah, no.
Surge is still surviving. At
Yeah,
106
And
down.
he's gone. Bye.
Yep.
Home run.
Turns out
By
Surge
Wolf.
sucks. He's never good. Washed up player.
Washed up. I think I was literally about to say that Surge should technically be the favorite because he got third, and the other two
Did you
guys.
see him look into the camera? I saw Surge stare into the camera. It's like he was looking into my soul.
Because Surge got third behind Yez and Foxy Grandpa. And as far as I know, they're both not here. So technically Surge should win.
Yeah.
But learning busting out the wolf. Bust a wolf, if you will. No Terry in this matchup. We're going to Kaios.
Yeah.
I'm funny, I swear. Yeah. Like I said, just kind of like experienced that Fox Arsene counter. He was like, yeah, I don't want to play this character anymore.
Yeah.
Forgot I wasn't in melee.
Wolf is a better character than Fox, I'm gonna say.
Yeah.
Well, it's
Surge
sort of
actually
like-
swapped skins. I don't know if that's important or not.
Last time he did that, he won. Like, it was sick.
You're saying 3-stock for Surge now?
Not saying that's not a possibility.
Arsene coming out already.
69% down. He's gonna lose now. Learning out here with the good blaster spacing. Ooh, parrying the down air, punishing with an up smash. Leading it up into another up air. This is insane. And he took the stock. Learning it up. Wait.
Going up for that forward smash, but Joker's landing slightly above him instead. Or
Yeah.
hitting him slightly above.
Surge is not really letting Learning breathe here.
I am very awake. I know.
The dash attack.
As I say that,
Jab.
there's literally no guns going off right now.
An intense match. Only like second stock. For Surge. 174%.
I mean, any damage that Lemon gets here is valuable.
Yeah.
If he can pop Arsene before he dies, it's actually really good. And some of that's wasted on the invuln period. So Arsene is kind of going down slow. You don't have to hit him to get rid of it.
Yeah. Ooh.
Gun's too high. Gun's too low.
Learning. Almost at 200%. Still alive.
Got-
Surge.
he's got the rage.
69%.
And yeah, now Arsene's gonna disappear.
Let's
Wolf's like,
see
okay, I'm
if
gonna
Surge
take
could
your...
even up percent.
Wolf's like, I'm gonna take your stock now. What are you gonna do? Pull out Arsene.
Yeah, seems a banger.
There's a crowd gathering around Irene Project T. Those could ask for updates after this game, but I guess we could just look at the actual website that we have access to. Either works.
Ooh, Surge is close to evening up the percent. Ooh, it's close.
Oh, we got the Devil's Guard off. Here comes Arsene.
Oh, this is a close match.
Oh, counter.
Ooh,
Oh,
the counter.
Doesn't kill
the
though.
percent is now
Oh,
evened
but
up.
that might kill.
Does that kill?
Oh, yeah, that
It
kills.
does kill. All right, Surge is in the lead by a stock. Let's go.
Last stock for winner side for learning potentially. Spike. It's a shield.
Ooh,
I mean, you got the kill.
evened up.
Now I can't criticize.
Right.
Curse you, learning,
Last stock game.
revealing my subpar knowledge about Smash.
It's anyone's game at this point. Nice little
Arsene's
combo
about to come
by
out.
Surge
Oh,
right there.
oh, that would have been huge. Grab. So
Arsene's
he's
out.
kind of had to get more there, I feel like, because now Arsene's out. I might just try to stall. I don't know how...
Ooh, that was a good read by Surge.
I don't know how you stall there. Goes for the counter,
That
but
counter was
waits out
risky.
the counter, yeah. It was high enough that you can wait out the counter and not be out of range.
Surge getting greedy. Ooh,
Well, that
he's not
almost killed.
dead yet, but he's
The game was like, yeah, you killed him, don't worry about it.
he doesn't have arson anymore, so
No more arson, yeah. The game was like, yeah, you killed him, don't worry about it. And there it is.
learning to
Going to
take it.
game 5 on stream. I'm gonna go take a quick look around. See what everyone else is doing.
All right, this could be big. Learning could take this from Surge. Anyone's game at this point.
All I know is that Kyrie's in losers because he SD'd at 20%.
Hell yeah.
He's playing freaking Violet. Freaking low tier character. LMAO. Alright, game 5 between. I already forgot.
Surge and learning.
Surge and learning. I should really try to remember what they play. Town and City?
Game 5 on Town and City.
Okay. Yeah, nobody double check that, I'm right. It's the Animal Crossing map.
Yeah, one of the Animal Crossing games.
Yeah. Animal Crossing. Nothing too exciting.
I don't know if this benefits either of them. Of course.
I mean, there's like more obvious. It's like platforms. Oh, Palutena. Oh, Violet. Oh,
Yeah.
some other character that's good with platforms.
Marth. Marth's really good with that.
Belmonts?
Yeah. Theoretically, yeah.
Yeah. At least that's what I was told when I was like, oh yeah, platforms are good against Belmonts because you don't have to get like poked out.
Yeah, it makes
And
sense.
Kyrie's like, yeah, but now they get new angles to throw their shit at.
Oof. Alright, Arson's out. Ooh.
And Arsene's gone.
Back air gonna take out Surge's stock.
Takes the down guns. Air
Downward
guns.
into downward guns into back air.
Downward guns. Got it.
I just call it downward
Words
guns.
are hard.
A smash catch in the back air. Arson's out. Learning at the stock lead. Pretty hefty lead, actually. Ooh, the counter. That was an interesting counter. Ooh, the back air beating out the both side beam.
Tanner.
Ooh, wolf forward till almost taking the stock.
What I miss? Everything. Came in, so I'm looking at my phone. What I miss? Top tier casting, only the best casting. I respect the Bair.
Hell yeah. Oh, this is intense.
Oh, he wanted it, and he's like, wait a minute.
Learning's still on his first stock. That's insane. This wolf is really good. Surge is sick.
Yeah. Bair just wants to get the losers as fast as he can, so he can start 3-0ing everyone.
Yeah. Ooh. Turning off. Wolf's
It's a bait
first
surge.
stock.
Don't go for it. Just take the loser side. Take the losers run with it.
See if Surge can make something of this.
And just kicks him really hard, but our son's like, nah, I got you. Get
Yeah.
back in there. That double.
It was
Ega.
a double.
I actually like know like spell names.
I don't. So.
It's like Ega, E-I-G-A. I like totally made up. I like looked it up once. Like no, like oh, Agi must be fire in like Japanese or something. Like yeah, no, it's just a random word. Like oh. So I think that was for baiting me. Anyway, winter stock for Surge. Is that what it's called, winter stock, or it's like your last stock in winners potentially? Is there even a word for that? 'Cause there's like tournament stock, but
I don't know. But yeah, this Surge's last stock for winner side.
And
Ooh,
now
we got a
learning.
game 5 last
Now-
stock
now-
situation.
No, learning's on his last stock, and Arsen's out.
This could get interesting.
Get in there, kick him, stab him, hurt him, do something.
Good spacing by Surge.
Oh, doesn't get the read though.
Nice parry.
Parry, shield, more shields, grab. Where's the shield?
Nice little combo. Nice.
Shield. Sorry.
Got a lot of jumps and shields.
Oh! Doesn't get anything off it though. You thought I was dead. I think everyone thought that shield was gonna pop. He's like, oh god.
Yeah. That would have been game too. This is it's even. It's even right now.
Pressure.
Wolf Blaster doing 20 billion damage.
A wooing from the crowd. I forgot what sound do wolves make. Like, I'm serious, I forgot. Arsen's about to come out though.
Oh no.
No,
Is that it?
Arsen can
No.
back.
Oh. All right. Good spacing by Surge. Surge takes it. Surge takes the game.
Some unfortunate spacing from everyone in that situation. But,
Good job to Surge, the people's champion.
Surge.
We are non-biased
Surge is able
commentators.
to recover there. Surge is like, maybe I should stop missing my moves.
Hey Surge, good job.
Nice auto spacing there, Surge. Sorry, that's a league term.